What's up, guys? So I did have a few parts that came in. This right here for my turbo. I'm just going to have to remove that and put it on there. I'm trying to hurry before the temperature drop. It's supposed to drop tomorrow. So as long as I have this done while the garage is open, I should be able to continue to work on it with the door shut. And also for my lines to connect to my wastegate and everything, I came up with these right here. These right here will be connecting my vacuum lines. So for right now, we're gonna go ahead and try to install this new hose right here before the temperature drop. So guys, this right here is where I'm at. Man, this was a pain to get on. I don't know what it is about this turbo, man. Just like this, everything wasn't lined up like it used to. It took me a while to get this this pipe to where it's supposed to be. Anyway, so this is where I'm at right now. I think I'm close. There's another problem I ran into. The clamps right here for my turbo. I bought some from Racetron, RJC, and it fits on there, but it don't clamp. The thread only comes to the end of that. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so let's say if I put this around here like this, like it's supposed to. Got it around the turbo. Let me see if I can get y'all in a little bit more. Yeah, this is a pain. Okay. All right. Let me get this on real quick, guys. I don't want y'all to see me struggling. All right, so now I got my clamp on the turbo, and you see that's as far as it'll go. That's it. That's as far as it'll go. So that's one problem. Like I said, that's a brand new clip. It came with the hose I got from RJC also. Came with two, I ordered two clamps. And I tried to use my old clamp, but when I put it around it, it was too long. And it wouldn't tighten down all the way, even though I bottomed it out. So that's one thing I got to figure out what I'm gonna do next. So other than that, guys, this thing is about ready. I'm trying to get a lot of stuff done because the temperature's supposed to drop pretty soon. Again, this weather's crazy. So my next thing is where I want to put this boost controller. I would like to put it probably right in here. I like to. So, but I don't know. Or somewhere around in here. I'm not for sure. Because, let me show you what the problem I think I'm gonna have. It's like when I route this, this is the only fitting that I could find. Where is it at? It's fitting right here. I don't know if y'all can see. That's the only thing I could find that could probably come out of that turbo. So, in order for it to work, hold on a second. So to get this to work, I'm gonna have to come around like this. With the line coming around like that, I guess. Because I don't know if it'll go this way or it's gonna pinch. So it might go like that. And then mount my, I'm missing a bracket to hold these lines together right here, but I think what I'm gonna do is try to come up with some kind of bracket. Probably mount it right there, but I want to be able to see it, so I don't know. So y'all guys tell me where's a good place where y'all got y'all's mounted at. I like to find something and to get that mounted. So the other thing I'm waiting on, I'm waiting from Cruise Performance for the wastegate dump pipe. That's going to be on back order. It'll be a while, they said, before they start making those again. So I'm looking probably about a couple of months, or something like that. But this right here is my main concern right there. I probably just got to get another clamp right here for that. So also, like I say, after this probably be a good spot for it. But like I say, I'm not a big fan of this. This right here, I got to connect to this. Hold on, let me see if I can show you my idea. Like that. And then this line go to the end of this. Like that. See, like that. And then this other end to go inside of the wastegate. So let me try that real quick. So basically it looked like that right there. I think it might be okay. Yeah. And then I can yeah, I thought it'd be bigger than that, but I think it'll work out fine. So I'm gonna keep that. And then, like I said, just find out a position where I want this right here. Where I want to get it at, put it at. So guys, that's where I'm at right now. Like I said, I really didn't want to record anything, but I'm just trying to give y'all a little update what's going on with the car. I'm trying to get as much done as possible before the weather comes in. And then plus it gives me an idea of where I need to go get another clamp at, how I really want to wrap my vacuum lines to the wastegate. So hope I can get some ideas and stuff where I want to mount it at. But that's where I'm at right now. Yeah. Other than that, guys, that's about it. That's all I can do for right now. I notice my line is rubbing against this pipe. I need to fix that. See if I can do that real quick. Okay, I had some extra loom. Cut it out, slide around this. There you go. Turn around this way, so y'all. Still need to do some trimming right there. Then let me do this other side, man. We be in business. Let me measure this real quick. There, should be good. Yeah, still need to be trimmed just a little bit. All right, that'll work for now. So, anyway, guys, it was just a quick video, guys, just show you where I'm at. Only issues, like I said, I got to find that clamp for the turbo, and then run the vacuum lines for the wastegate. Try to see if I can find a bracket. We can go ahead and do that today, I guess. Let me see if I can find a bracket, but if not, I have to look around. If I can't find anything, it might be the end of the video, but hold on a second. So far, this is what I came up with, guys. I just opened up this one hole a little bit bigger. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mount it right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, right here. So I hope this works. So it's gonna be a temporary spot, or might just keep it here, depending on if it works. All right. All right. All I gotta do is tighten it up. We'll see how it goes. All right, guys, man, I got it. You see, I got it mounted. Everything's good so far. Get the vacuum lines on, and then we'll go from there. So this is what I got so far. Let's just slide it in like that. Just measure that first. Come on now. All right. Here we go. It's one side right there, and let's get this other one done, and we should be done. So I got everything hooked up like I want it. It's mounted. This wire tie right here is just to let me know that I got to do the whole thing. And plus, I got to get another vacuum line. This is just temporary until I go to the auto place and get another vacuum line for this one. I mean, I think it's like a windshield wiper vacuum line hose. I just found laying over there. The other one, this was too big. I thought both of these ends were about the same. Thought this end and that end was the same, so I went and got this hose right here. But anyway, I just got to replace that right there. So right there is the new home for it. Other than that, just got to see about ordering one of these. Another clamp. Try to get that done tomorrow. Yeah, other than that, guys, I just got to tighten my compressor side back up because I had to adjust it for the intercooler pipe. Other than that, everything's torqued back on the green where it was at. All right, guys, that's probably it for the video, guys. I got a lot of stuff done. Like I said, I was just trying to beat the weather. So got the wastegate hooked up. Just little small things I got to do to it. And then other than that, we'd probably be ready to go get it tuned sometime pretty soon. Me and my partner, we just got to find out who we're going to ship our cars to, or we're going to drive them down there. We're going to tow them down there or whatever. But we'll figure that out later on. So I don't know how far he got on his car. So I've been trying to do as much as I can, so I can at least be ready when he's ready. Man, that sun's bright. But with that being said, guys, I hope y'all enjoy the content, guys. And if this is your first time checking out the channel, hit that subscribe button. Guys, give this video a like. Appreciate it. And until the next one, guys, I'm out. Peace.